Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Professor Kang Chul-Goo from Kang University, Seoul. I'm the organizing chair of ICCAS 2012. On behalf of the organizing and the program committees, I warmly welcome you to ICCAS 2012, the 12th International Conference on Control, Automation and Systems. ICCAS 2012 is hosted by ICCAS, the Institute of Control, Robotics and Systems in Korea, and technically co-sponsored by IEEE, the Control Systems Society, and Industrial Electronics Society, and Robotics and Automation Society, and Science in Japan, and CACS in Taiwan, and CAA and CAAI in China. ICCAS 2012 will continue from today to this coming Saturday for 4 days here in beautiful Jeju Island. Even if this conference is prepared by ICCAS in Korea, many neighbor society friends helped us. Now I'd like to express my deep appreciation to them. IEEE, CSS, IS, and RADAS, and SICE, and CACS, and CAA, and CAAI. I hope this conference will have a benefit for you. And for this conference, we prepared a guest room. It's in the hall, and you can stay there anytime. And we prepared one wireless internet line and wired 6 internet lines with which you can connect internet using your notebook PC in room 300, the third floor. And also there is 3 desktop PC for internet connection without your PC in this third floor and near the entrance gate. If you need further information or if you feel any inconvenience, please tell us, the committee member or student staff who wear ICCAS uniform, and we will help you as best as we can. I hope you enjoy the ICCAS 2012 and have a memorable time here in Jeju Island. Thank you.